Good afternoon, students. Today, let us discuss about the topic photosynthesis or food making process in plants. Leaves are the food factories of plants. Water and minerals present in the soil are absorbed by the roots and transported to the leaves. Here, roots absorb water and minerals from the soil. Then these water and minerals transported to various parts of the leaves. Okay, on the surface of leaves, there is a small pores present. That small pores are called stomata. These small pores surrounded by guard cells. Okay, then vessels are present in the leaves. It is the very important part of the plants. Okay, throughout the plants, there is a pipe-like structure is present that is called vessels. Once again, what is the meaning of vessels? Throughout the plants, there is a pipe-like structure is present that is called vessels. Next, what is the functions of vessels? Vessels transported water and minerals to the leaves. Okay, what is the function of vessels? Vessels transported water and minerals to the leaves. Okay, then leaves have a green colored pigment called chlorophyll. Okay, as you know, most of the leaves are green in color because of the pigment chlorophyll. It helps the leaves to capture energy. What is the main function of chlorophyll? It helps leaves to capture energy. Next, we can study the definition of photosynthesis. The process of making of food by green plants in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll is known as photosynthesis. Once again, what is the meaning of photosynthesis? The process of making of food by green plants in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll is known as photosynthesis. Some of the raw materials are needed for photosynthesis. They are water, carbon dioxide, chlorophyll and sunlight. What are the raw materials are needed for photosynthesis? Water, carbon dioxide, chlorophyll and sunlight. Okay, photosynthesis is the combination of two words. One is photo and other one is synthesize. Okay, one is photo and other one is synthesis. What is the meaning of photo? Photo means synthesis. Photo means light. What is the meaning of photo? Photo means light. Synthesis means to make. Okay, synthesis means what? To make. So photosynthesis combines with two words. One is photo and other one is synthesis. Photo means light. Synthesis means to make. Process of food making in green plants. Okay, green plants make their food themselves. Okay, already we studied it is an autotrophs because they are able to prepare their own food. Green leaves make food from carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Here the pigment chlorophyll is very essential for the preparation of food. Hence, taking place of photosynthesis, carbon dioxide, water and sunlight must be reached to the green leaves in addition to the presence of chlorophyll. Okay, when the photosynthesis occur, carbon dioxide, water and sunlight must be reached, okay, at the green leaves. If it is not reached, there is no photosynthesis. So the raw materials are very essential for photosynthesis. During photosynthesis, what will happen? The light energy can be converted into chemical energy. The light energy converted into chemical energy. Here you can see the carbon dioxide combines with the water molecules with the help of sunlight and chlorophyll. we can get what? Carbohydrates. What is the molecular formula of carbohydrate? C6H12O6. Here Z means carbon, H means hydrogen, O means oxygen. So Z6H12O6 and release oxygen molecules. Okay, and release 6 molecules of oxygen. Okay, so C6H12O6 means what? Carbohydrates. Okay, it is a unique process on the earth. The solar energy is captured by the leaves and stored in the form of food. Here what will happen? The solar energy. What is the meaning of solar energy? Sunlight. The solar energy is captured by the leaves and stored in the form of food. Here the sun is the ultimate source of energy in all living organisms. So here which one considered as the ultimate source of energy in all living organisms? Sun. In the absence of photosynthesis, what will happen on the earth? What will happen? Shortage of food and shortage of oxygen. Okay, shortage of food and shortage of oxygen. Thank you, students.